roasted tomatillo, zucchini, and cucumber gazpacho. I want to say soup, but that's what it is. It's a cold soup. And here on my grill, I just brushed some olive oil and salted some zucchini. And I feel like, you know, since I started gardening outside, I'll get these DMs from people like, what do you do with the overabundance of zucchini? Because zucchini can just grow like weeds.
They grow so fast.
I mean, they're filled with water. That's why this is like a really healthy soup as well. And if you water them properly, they're going to balloon up overnight. I also did the same thing, just some olive oil and salt with the tomatillos. They're kind of like tart, tangy. A lot of times people...
green onion. Oh, yeah, and some scallions.
You got to have the scallions. So obviously this is going to be a nice green gazpacho. I think we're used to like that tomato-based gazpacho. All of it is going to go right into our blender. And then to that, I'm going to add some flavor. 2 cloves of garlic. I just think a lot of people are offended by raw garlic, but I think that a little bit of the heat from the grill is going to blend it. And then I use some English cucumbers. Just go ahead and chop them down so that your blender can get the work done.
See those cukes? Great.
And then this is Greek yogurt. I've been substituting Greek yogurt for sour cream for some time now, and I really like it, you know. You could do whole fat or low fat, a nice pinch of salt, and then about 8 to 10 leaves of basil. I just like to twist those off and get that in there. A little bit more. Maybe.
So easy, so gorgeous, Sunny, really.
It's so super simple. I'm just gonna blend it. Hey, Rachel. Remember that last time I was blending in your studio?
He should be there now, by the way. You should be splashing that green gazpacho all over my head.
Yeah, there was blender food and shrapnel everywhere. But so anyway, just keep on blending. So this is gonna chill, and see how easy that is. Take a look at that. I mean,
it's
come
so
on.
easy and beautiful. What a great recipe, Sunny.
Really, really pretty.
Love
it's
it.
also great if you're having like a cute little spring soiree. You can put them in shot glasses.
No, I love that too, yeah. If you chill the little glasses and put that out at a party, what a refreshing, delightful snack. You know, it's an appetizer.
Exactly. I love to shoot them. I love a nice little shooter. So I'm going to show you how to finish this off with a little bit of curb appeal. I like to do a swirl. I like to try and impress my guy, GZ, from the kitchen. So this is just marrying the flavors. So this is just some Greek yogurt and some honey. And a tiny spoon for a tiny job. Just gonna stir that in.
Yum.
And then just pour in our soup. Look at how beautiful this is. Look at that.
I love that you have Bronx hot sauce too. I'm a big fan.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just keeping it green. You know what I'm saying?
I
love the idea
hot
of it.
Sauce, a little sweet yogurt.
A little yogurt.
Fancy pants.
A little dollop right there goes in.
Gorgeous.
Hit it with some scallions. Again, marrying the flavors of what we already hooked up on our grill there.
And the green hot sauce,
and then just a little bit. You know, we don't want to blow the lids off.
Sonny brings it home.
Look at me. Look at me making a soup, girl. I like to swirl
my
it.
Friend.
And then just go
You are beautiful, and you always bring sunshine on any day. Oh my God, that looks so good. I want it so bad.
The garlic just jumps out at you. It's so fresh. It's so clean. You'll finish this soup and feel so light.